Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of Aspen Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. I want to thank everyone for subscribing. We have 238 subscribers, almost 25% of the way to the road to 1,000 subscribers, which I was hoping to achieve by next week, which is also the week of my birthday. So if you can, please click subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so today what we're going to talk about is how we can configure the default search behavior in Kingston. So one thing you've probably noticed is that when you go into the incident table, for example, and you try to sort on a field like a short description, which only contains alpha characters, that you hit enter, and then everything comes up here even without performance problems in it. And if we look right here at this filter condition, we're going to see that it's greater than or is. So we want to change the system so that way the string fields that contain record numbers such as numeric fields, that they're not treating the alpha ones as numeric. So the way to do that is to create a system property. So if you go to syst_properties.list, which is listed right here, this table will come up. Keep in mind you have to be an admin to do this. At this point, we're going to create a Syst property called glide.ui.goto_use_contains. The type is going to be true false, and then the value is going to be true. Next thing we're going to do is save this. And while that's saving, I'm going to go over here back to the incident list, and I'm just going to type in incident.list one more time, make sure we have a fresh one come up, and that way we've refreshed it. And now I'm going to change this to short description just like it was before. I'm going to type in performance problems. And now we're going to notice just those three came up. So if we open up this filter condition, we're going to see it says contains right here. So that's it for today. One thing I wanted to note also is that I am available, so if your organization is looking for a PM, someone to consult on service level management, setting up SLAs, admin work, etc., feel free to contact me. There's an About Me video on the site, and it gives information there on how to connect with me on LinkedIn. We've just unlocked the power of ServiceNow. Thank you and have a great day.